Welcome to a journey that celebrates the beauty of restoration and the art of transformation. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the practice of bringing old wood back to life offers a unique blend of creativity and environmental consciousness. By reclaiming aged wood, you not only salvage materials that might otherwise go to waste, but also create stunning, one-of-a-kind decor items that tell a story. Each piece carries its own history, making it not just a functional object, but also a conversation starter and a focal point in any space. Whether you're an aspiring artisan or someone looking to introduce eco-friendly decor into your home, this journey promises to inspire and engage you. As we explore the various techniques and possibilities of restoring old wood, you'll discover the endless potential that lies in each timber piece. From creating beautiful furniture to crafting decorative accents, the versatility of reclaimed wood allows for boundless creativity. Each project is an opportunity to express your personal style while contributing to a more sustainable future. With a focus on innovative ideas and practical tips, this guide aims to empower you to embrace the art of restoration. Join us as we delve into the world of eco-friendly decor, where creativity meets sustainability and every piece of wood is a canvas waiting to be transformed. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of restoring old wood and discovering unique eco-friendly decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support really makes a difference, and by subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, tips, and creative projects that celebrate sustainability and craftsmanship. We encourage you to like and share this video with friends and family who might also be interested in transforming their spaces with reclaimed materials. Make sure to stick around until the end, as we'll be sharing some exclusive insights and bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Together, let's foster a community of eco-conscious creators and inspire one another to make beautiful, sustainable choices in our homes. Restoring old wood is more than just a craft. It's an art form that blends creativity with sustainability. As our society becomes increasingly aware of environmental issues, the demand for eco-friendly decor options has surged. By breathing new life into aged wood, you not only create stunning pieces for your home, but also contribute to a greener planet. Embracing this trend can lead to lucrative opportunities, whether you're a hobbyist or looking to start a small business. One of the most appealing aspects of restoring old wood is the unique character each piece possesses. Unlike mass-produced items, every restored wood creation tells a story, showcasing its history and imperfections. This individuality is highly sought after in today's market, where consumers are drawn to one-of-a-kind items that reflect their personal style and values. By focusing on the restoration process, you can highlight the beauty of natural materials, appealing to eco-conscious buyers. The restoration process itself can be a therapeutic and rewarding experience. It involves careful examination, cleaning, and sometimes even reimagining the wood to fit modern aesthetics. Techniques such as sanding, staining, and sealing can enhance the wood's natural grain and color, while also ensuring durability. This hands-on approach allows for creative expression, as you can experiment with various finishes and designs to find the perfect look for each piece. In addition to being a fulfilling hobby, restoring old wood can also be a profitable venture. There is a growing market for eco-friendly home decor, and consumers are willing to pay a premium for sustainable products. By showcasing your creations at local markets, online platforms, or through social media, you can reach a wide audience eager for unique decor items. Crafting a compelling narrative around your pieces can further enhance their appeal, allowing potential buyers to connect with the story behind the wood. Another avenue for profit lies in offering workshops or classes on wood restoration techniques. Many people are interested in learning how to upcycle and create their own decor, providing an opportunity for you to share your skills while generating income. By teaching others the art of restoring wood, you not only help them develop new skills, but also foster a community of eco-conscious creators. Incorporating old wood into home decor can take many forms, from furniture to wall art. Consider creating functional pieces such as tables, shelves, or seating that highlight the wood's natural beauty while serving a purpose in the home. Decorative items such as picture frames, candle holders, or wall hangings can also showcase your creativity and craftsmanship. The versatility of old wood allows for endless possibilities, ensuring that every piece you create is unique and appealing. To further enhance your offerings, consider combining restored wood with other eco-friendly materials. For example, pairing wood with metal accents or natural fibers can create visually striking contrasts that elevate your designs. This blend not only adds depth to your creations, but also broadens their market appeal, attracting a wider range of customers. Marketing your restored wood creations effectively is crucial for success. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, sharing high-quality images that capture the essence of each piece. Engaging storytelling can also draw in potential buyers, as people are often more inclined to purchase items that resonate with them on a personal level. Collaborating with influencers or participating in local events can further increase your visibility and attract a larger audience. As you delve deeper into the world of wood restoration, consider the environmental impact of your materials and processes. Sourcing reclaimed wood or salvaged materials not only adds to the character of your creations, but also minimizes waste and reduces the demand for new resources. This commitment to sustainability can enhance your brand image and attract environmentally conscious buyers who appreciate your dedication to eco-friendly practices. In conclusion, restoring old wood for unique home creations is a fulfilling and profitable endeavor. By embracing creativity, sustainability, and community, you can turn this passion into a thriving venture. The blend of artistry and environmental consciousness resonates deeply with today's consumers, paving the way for a successful and impactful business in the world of eco-friendly decor. Thank you so much for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in the art of restoring old wood and creating unique eco-friendly decor. If you found the content helpful and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and ideas that celebrate sustainability and creativity. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family who might also enjoy exploring the beauty of reclaimed materials. Your support helps us grow and continue bringing you valuable content. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of eco-conscious design and restoration.